Welcome to your color visualization meditation. Find a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take 3 deep, full body breaths. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel the connection points between your body and the ground. Relax your face, relax your jaw, relax your fingers and toes, feeling the weight of your body melt into the earth. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine a gentle wave of color coming into view. A color that represents creativity and inspiration. Notice if the color is warm or cool. Is it vibrant? Is it glowing? See this color in your mind's eye getting brighter and more vivid with every breath, like a living orb. As you inhale, see the hue become more saturated. As you exhale, watch the color respond to your breath. As you continue to breathe, notice the colors start to move around your body. With every inhale, imagine your inner creativity responding to the color moving closer to you, like a signal or a lighthouse. With every exhale, feel your body relax and your mind open to new ideas and possibilities. Now start to visualize this color entering your body at the top of your head, bringing creative energy into your being. See it travel throughout your whole head, down the back of your neck, across your shoulders, your upper back, across your chest, through your arms, down to your fingers. See the color go down your torso, to your hips, low back, down your legs to your ankles, and all the way to your feet. Feel your whole body alive with this color, alive with creativity. With every breath, feel your creative confidence increase. Feel what it means to be connected to your creative energy. When you are ready, start to bring your awareness back to the room. Notice any sounds around you. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. And when the time feels right, gently open your eyes. As you notice the space around you, look for what reminds you of the color you saw. As you move through your day, carry the energy and inspiration of your color with you. Thank you for joining this meditation. Remember, you can return to this color visualization whenever you feel you need a burst of creative energy.